Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, we are going to show you on how you can make a VSH or old TV effect in Geometry Dash. Now this is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to add a trigger. So navigate through this specific category on your Geometry Dash level editor. And basically from here, you then want to scroll down and you want to find a specific trigger called the chromatic glitch trigger. So inside, you then want to place this onto your level. And basically from there, just click on the added object. And then we have the ability to select something like a touch trigger. Or if you want to trigger this directly after you spawn, you just want to make sure to place this directly onto the spawn point of your character. So from there, once again, you can edit out the speed of the lines, the strength of the effect, the line thickness, the segment, the fade time, and more. So in my case, I'll go ahead and edit it this way. And so from there, if we go ahead and play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this. Once again, you can just customize this to whatever type of effect you want to. And that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.